Hello and welcome to Bowtie Life. I'm Bowtie David. We live in Destin Zone 9B with the latest updates. And I've been out here in the garden working, and I just wanted to show you a few updates. It's raining a little bit right now, off and on, but I wanted to show you a few things that are happening. One of which, can you see what that is? That is blueberries. We are going to have a bumper crop of blueberries this year, apparently, because the blueberries are starting to swell up. They're still green, too small to pick, of course, but I'm very excited. So be sure to subscribe to not miss a thing as we document everything going on in the garden. If you have already subscribed, I thank you so much. You have built Bowtie Life to what it is today, and you are my heroes. So here we go. Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave. So this is being recorded on April 2nd, and I wanted to show you some of these grape leaves coming out, and some of these branches have really, now this was not a trimmed branch. This just grew out this long already in about a week and a half, and we have a lot of places where I did trim the branches. You can see I trimmed it right there, and this branch is already several inches long. And if I come down here, you can see there's a lot of it growing like crazy everywhere, the way I would expect. But I wanted to show you the base of this tree. Look at this long thing that has grown out of a cutting right here. You can see where I cut the branch. And out of this growth node, we got this enormous branch over a foot long. It is reaching out. I'm going to try to train that thing to get up here in the arbor, so that it's a little too short right now, but so we can keep things growing in the right direction. So the grapes are starting to climb like crazy, which is very cool. And let's go look at something else. So the elephant garlic is looking pretty strong. I'm not sure how I'm going to do with the watering here. You'll notice we have scapes on our elephant garlic. Had a discussion with someone once somewhere that insisted that we would not be seeing scapes on elephant garlic, and we are getting them. There's one down in there. There's another big one right here, and scapes are coming. We will trim those and probably dehydrate them, turn them into garlic powder. The last thing I'm going to show you in this video is the blackberries. These are looking amazing. Just look at all the buds. I've never had this many blackberry buds before. There's a bee right there on that flower, and there are just dozens and dozens and dozens, if not hundreds, of blackberries getting ready to grow out this year, which is extremely exciting. The yellow flowers, that's the broccoli that I'm going to be collecting seeds from. But we are going to be recording the full garden tour coming up in 4 days on Saturday, the 6th. And we will be covering all the things going on in the garden like we do at the beginning of every month now. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing to see what else is growing in the garden. So this is just a little quick update on some of the things. These flowers up in here, just amazing. I wanted to get it on camera just to make sure that I had it on camera. I don't know how much longer they're gonna last. These flowers just look amazing. And we are going to have a bumper crop of blackberries this year. I think I may have finally figured out blackberries, which is a major relief because this is year 3 and I was beginning to get discouraged, I'll admit. So anyway, thank you for following along. If you're just finding our channel, please do subscribe. This is my own personal journal of everything going on in the garden. And with my ADD brain, I've tried journaling, I've tried apps, I've tried photography, I've tried several ways to keep records of everything going on in the garden, and this is just my own personal journal. These videos really speak to my brain. They make my brain cells work properly, get me excited about the next thing that needs to be done, and you're welcome to follow along. So please subscribe to not miss a thing as we document everything going on in the garden. Yeah, been a day of work today, and it's been a very nice day. So anyway, we do have, like I said, the garden tours coming up. Should be the next video, should be 3 days after this video, should be the first garden tour of the front and side gardens for the month of April. Yeah, this month is moving right along. So have a blessed day.